Yay, we made it into Epcot. So right now we are heading back to get to the festival center because I believe it closes at 5. So we have to get there, and because we have not seen that yet this trip, and we always like that is our thing. We love going in there. They have the Ghirardelli chocolate experience. They have, it's just kind of like the hub for like all festival related things. So we have to go there. We haven't yet been there this trip. So that is the game plan right now, is we are heading, we're not stopping. We're like, we gotta go right back to the festival center so we can see it tonight before it closes. On the festival center, and you can see right over here on this side all the construction walls, the Dream Builder walls, because this is what was Ellen's Energy Adventure and now is becoming the Marvel attraction. We just found that out at D23, so that's pretty neat. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do there. Ellen's Energy Adventure was always like a nice little sit down, but it's definitely time for something new. Here's the festival center. That's really pretty. Yay. Okay, let's go exploring the festival center now. This is over here, well, over on like the far end there, they have all the cooking demonstrations happen here, and some of them they're like exclusive events. You like pay for them and you can come do a demonstration. And then they have the merchandise center set up in here. They have a little thing going on there too. It looks like with the Twinings tea, little demonstration. And here, this is the big section where they do like a lot of the big demonstrations. Yeah, they have like some big names that come out, like sometimes stars from the Food Network and people like that that come, and you can get a ticket to do one of these events. We just came into the chocolate experience by Ghirardelli. We had our free Ghirardelli chocolate they give you when you come in, and we're looking at these displays. These are done by all different pastry artists across property, and they always do like, they pick different themes to go with each team of chefs. Oh wow. And look, it's like the panda bears. That's so cute. That's amazing. This is done all out of chocolate. That doesn't even look like it's chocolate. Wow. Is there any way, is that flour or chocolate? No. This one looks kind of, and here this one is Moana. It's really cute. Look how they did the water. Moana. You know, that's little hey hey. Yeah. That is true. That happened. Here's Wreck-It Ralph. The Beauty and the Beast one's good. I think is the most, yeah, I think this one is the winner in my book, the Pandora one, because like how they did those little blue things, like we actually saw them the other night when we were in Pandora. That's how the plants look. Like this has so much attention to detail.
Waterfall really look like it's
flowing. Oh yeah, look at that. This is adorable. Oh yeah, and these people did Moana as well. This one was Disney Hollywood Studios pastry chefs. This one's really detailed as well. They have, you can make a little thing of all the different flavors of Ghirardelli. Oh, is this the pass holder? Yeah, it is pass holder exclusive merchandise.
Used to be on Saturday morning TV about the It's a magic number, Schoolhouse Rock logo.
And look at the Dooney. That's really cute. They have a magic band. I think these are so funny, these little trash cans. They're so cute. I actually got when we went to Cast Connection the other day, I got the ornament version of one of the little trash cans, and I love it so much. I can't wait to decorate my Disney Christmas tree with it. Oh, is this the, are they shot glasses or?
Oh, it looks like just short little beer.
Oh, cute. I've never seen this one before, the Coast to Coast cookbook. They have Disney's California Adventure and Epcot both. That's neat. I like the design, how they had Spaceship Earth, and then it looks like it connects into the Fun Wheel. I like this mug, this is cute. It's Chef Figment, and like the handle's his tail. That's precious. Yes, we're so happy we finally got to see our festival center. That was awesome. It's just always relaxing to walk around, and they have all the festival merchandise. It's fun to look at everything. Okay, so now we're heading over to the fountain because we're actually meeting up with my cousin and his girlfriend. They came up, they live down here, so we're gonna go see them and I think walk around. We might, I think,
go in mouse gear.
We didn't go in mouse gear. Yeah, we better get in there as well.
Our reservations at 8:10 and then the
right.
park closed. We haven't been in mouse gears
We
yet.
have to do that as well, yes. So yeah, this is good. We're getting done. We're seeing all the stuff we want to see. Oh, look at Spaceship Earth.
This is to come.
I know.
Down, and then what's coming in here?
This is gonna be Guardians of the Galaxy, Marvel. So that's neat. Yeah, our cousin Sherry that we hung out with yesterday said that that was like the funniest movie she ever saw. Like I need to give him a chance. I've never seen like the Guardians of the Galaxy series, so have to do that, especially before this opens here.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
We've determined we want this water feature in our backyard. It is so cute.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Fish. But fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system
look at the white ones.
Here
They're different.
recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants without efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural 3,000 edible plant species in the world.
We need to update this to the Christmas version.
Only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Please remain seated and have your boat may begin moving at any time. We apologize for the delay and we hope that you enjoy your voyage.
Yeah, we've never gotten delayed in here. That's so cool.
Can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area.
Watermelon. Didn't we try them one time on the Behind the Seeds tour? Or we tried something, I'm not sure. On the Behind the Seeds tour. Yeah, that was what it was. I want to try this watermelon. Oh wow.
Turn the water pressure up.
We might get evacuated off this one. We might have to step out and have our own Behind the Seeds tour. That'd be cool.
Guess what? You got evacuated from Guess What Ride.
Guess what ride? Our boat is just kind of slowly drifting forward, but we're still stuck.
Experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated as motion may resume at any moment. We apologize for the delay and appreciate your patience and cooperation.
6 years, so we can call them and ask questions.
It's not working. This is stuff.
Oh my gosh.
We broke the boat.
Oh my gosh.
Story.
Yeah, we broke the boat. So when they power it down, is like everything gonna like shut off? I don't know what's gonna happen. We will find out. We will find out.
We're moving forward.
So we're gonna have bumper boats.
It was their fault. They did it. They did it.
No, I think they're taking on water in the boat up front.
Are you serious? It's very lopsided.
That port side's going under. So we got bubbles up here.
A living with the land boat just sunk. So update, we might get evacuated from living with the land. That would be something. Okay, we're moving.
Without audio.
Without audio. We broke the ride.
See, that one's going to grow in the shape of a Mickey. Because they put a mold around it, the shape of a Mickey
Some
Mouse.
of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields
Here's the audio's
and
back
better
on.
control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce. The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing.
They put the pigment from
Look at the sky right now. This is like a picture perfect evening. That's gorgeous.
I really wish to do something with imagination. Don't tell me words. I'll be upset
Look how beautiful our World Showcase. Oh, here they come. Oh, and I think the Canada band is actually starting over there. Oh, look who's here. More Disney Duck friends. Hi. They have that Christmas tree on the stage. Big Bad Voodoo Daddy is playing the E to the B concert right now. Yeah, this one might do a different one.
I love this.
I know, this is awesome. Oh, look, there goes one there too.
Of course, I'm in the shadow of the lake.
I never really noticed them lit up at night. Like, can you see people in them?
Yeah, I wonder.
Around or
Oh, it's gonna go
Yeah, I love how they have this whole village is like so detailed with all the little characters and things. I think even the one year they decorated it for Christmas. I wonder if they put in
little trees.
Yeah, I wonder if they have any of those in yet. We just got our garden salad. Looks really good.
Mickey!
Oh, Mickey! Here's our unzen noodle and the vegetables. My scallops, oh my gosh, they look incredible.